Welcome to my backyard. It looks like the weatherman didn't get the memo and we might have a thunderstorm, so we'll see how this goes. I'm Bonnie, half of Bonnie and Camille, and I'm excited to talk about our new Shine On collection for MODA. So this is the bundle, and as you can see, it's a rainbow of colors. Some of you might be excited to see we've added a little yellow and orange in this line, and it's been a while, so we're pretty excited about that. And on the top is our mom print that we brought back. So we have a navy one this time, and that's one of our favorites, so we hope you'll be excited about that too. This vintage collection has some cute vintage florals, stripes, checks. We even have a little bee print and several of the rainbow print in different colors. I wanted to show you this selvage. On every collection we get to pick a name and a little saying, and this one is Shine On, Let Your Light Shine, and it has the little starbursts that show the colors of this print. So we're excited about this new line. It ships in October. So we have a lot of projects that we've been working on. One of the first ones I want to show you is our book called The Bonnie and Camille Quilt Bee. And this is Camille and I's first book together. So we've been working really hard on this, and on the cover is the Shine On sampler. It has a lot of fun blocks. I've been working on mine, so I want to show you a few of those. This one, the wind will let me do this, is our cute little bee block, our Bonnie and Camille Quilt Bee. And a little fun fact is my maiden name is Beasley, so I was excited to get to design that block. And this one is called Checkerboard. It uses lots of our different prints. I'm gonna drop these. Okay, and then this is Lighthearted. We have a rainbow block as well. This one is called Bloom. You can see that cute little flower. And then this one is called Starburst, and it's all red and white quilt. And I love red, so it's one of my favorites. Also, we asked if you'd like to join in on one of our quilts that we put in our book. And so my beehive quilt, we're calling, Camille has a beehive quilt and I have a beehive quilt because you were so generous in sending all of your blocks, and so mine is done in a colorway, so this was one of the blocks that goes in my beehive quilt. So that's one of our projects. And then I also have 3 new patterns. I'm going to use my cheat sheets here because with this thunderstorm it's kind of distracting, but this one right here is called Summer Days, and I love summer, and I was hoping to get a summer day today. I guess this is pretty typical for Idaho, but the snow is melted and the summer days are here, so I put together a churn dash block that has different centers that mix up in the blocks, and this is made with the Fat 8th bundle, and MODA is going to kit this in one of those cute little boxes, so I'm pretty excited about that. It is 72 inches square. And all my quilts were quilted by Susan Hanson. She does such a beautiful job with the quilting. So thank you to Susan. Okay, next is Midnight. And if any of you know my patterns, I love doing quilts with 2-color and also with stars. So this one is both. And our little navy print in our rainbow print in navy, it was perfect for this. And this would also be fun. It comes in green, pink, red, and aqua. So the blocks are large, so it comes together pretty fast. And the last one is called Simply Sweet. And MODA has a new pre-cut called Honeycombs. I want you to see what those are. I'll show you. The packaging comes like this, and there's 240 in the package. And they're just little raw edge blocks, hexagon blocks. So instead of piecing those into this quilt, I just put them on a background square and then pieced it into the quilt with a little chain. And then after it's quilted and bound, you can wash it and make it all snuggly and soft. And this quilt is 78 by 78. And I used one of the red aqua prints on the back. It's gonna blow away. But I'm so excited to show you my new patterns, to show you our new book and all of the fun projects that we've been working on. And I hope that you'll join us in one of our fun new projects with our new collection, Shine On.